Okay guys, so this is how to remove a broken light bulb from a from the Christmas tree lights, right? Because it's broken, I cannot remove it with my hands. I can't get cut that way. So I have a knife, and what it is I do, I'm going to take it, there's a little crevice right here. You're going to take that, put the knife in there, and just going to gently go around it while giving it a little twisted motion to help push it out of the socket. So we're gonna get this, there we go, and it's out, guys. And to replace the bulb, we have the new bulb here. We're just gonna take this and push it down. We're not gonna twist it into, we're not gonna twist it, we're just gonna push it down. So gently hold the bulb and you just send that stub pad down until it connects. Don't twist, just push down. That is the instructions given. There we go. And we have a new bulb that is replaced.